and welcome back to my channel. I have a bit of an unboxing today for you guys. So if you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, please go and do that. I will put up my Instagram handle on the screen. Basically, if you follow me, you would have seen my stories and a couple of my posts recently. But basically, I went to Louis Vuitton and because I was invited to a little kind of, I guess you could call it a styling session. One of the sales associates at the store, he put together some runway pieces and some outfits featuring runway pieces, sorry, and just to show our customers how you can kind of wear runway pieces on an everyday basis. Some of the outfits were really amazing, very casual. You can definitely wear it on a day-to-day basis, and it was really, really good. It was a lot of fun. There were canapes and drinks, so that was really, really nice. Basically, I went to the styling appointment and I ended up buying something, which is what I'm going to unbox today. So if you don't subscribe, please do hit that subscribe button. I talk about all things luxury and as well everyday affordable items. So things like homeware, lifestyle, travel, styling tips as well, and I do unboxings like this. So if you like that kind of stuff, please hit that subscribe button and also give it a thumbs up because it does help with the algorithm. So thank you so much guys for the support. Now I'm going to stop rambling and let's get started. I am going to be unboxing what I have in here. It is a top and it has this garment bag. So it's not a box, it's technically it's a reveal rather than an unboxing. But it is in this garment bag. Okay, so what I got at Louis Vuitton recently is, ta-da! The Monogram Python print, the Monogram Python print silk zippered shirt with the enlarged zipper motif. So I'll give you some details. It is a monogram top and it has a large leather zipper pull tab, which is keeping in line with the bigger motifs of the 2023 season, both fall, winter, as well as spring, summer. You know, you have so many pieces from runway just being lots and lots bigger. The zipper comes all the way down and it's just a monogram shirt. So this particular piece, guys, so I'll tell you the price, and it is $3,050. It was not cheap, which is actually very much in line with all of their silk tops anyway. So if you know about their silk pajama tops, they're all about $2,500. So this is $3,000 because obviously it does have that extra zipper motif here. Now I have cut the tag off already because I've actually worn this. I'm just so excited about this piece. And I've worn it already, so I really wanted to just, you know, get started on it. Basically, this is just such an amazing shirt. So you can wear it in such a variety of ways. So basically, you can wear it just as a normal shirt, which when you zip it up, it kind of looks like a button-up shirt. So I have worn this to work already, and it's really good. You can also dress it down and be a little bit more casual, so kind of have like the zip a little bit lower, halfway. So I'll show you all of these looks. It's really kind of nice and thick as well, so you can wear this as an overshirt, which is why I got it in the garment bag, because I do kind of think of this as more of a jacket rather than a shirt. It's very, very simple. It's got a little pocket up here, and I just think it's an incredible shirt, and I know I'm gonna get so much wear out of this. So just going back on what I was talking about before, just with like ready to wear, I do like to go ready to wear with designer pieces, even though they cost thousands of dollars, because I do intend to wear them so much. I have a few designer pieces ready to wear, and I wear them a lot. I get so much wear out of them. I've had them for years and years and years, and so when you calculate the cost per wear, it does actually bring it down a lot. So to me, it's worth it. It's really good value for money. But if you're not the type of person that is going to be wearing these kind of things, then obviously don't be splurging on it. But for me, I do think luxury is something that is really good to indulge as well as reward yourself, because we all work very hard, you know, with COVID, with everything that's happened in these few years. I do think that we should reward ourselves just simply for working so hard. You know, like for me, life has been pretty tough recently. I've started my own business about half a year ago. Business is good. I am busy, but at the same time, you know, being busy means that you know, it's really draining on my mental health. So it has been a really tough time for me. I don't really give myself a lot of I guess rest, because when it's your own business, it's your lifeline on the line. It's your lifeblood, it's your life's work on the line. So yeah, it is really, really stressful. So I take moments like this really seriously. I love to reward myself. Okay, I am going to stop rambling, and I'm going to jump straight into how I would wear how I would wear that top in a variety of situations. So let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the first way that you can wear this top. I've slapped it on, I've got some white pants on. I will put like a full portrait shot of the outfit, but basically to talk you through it, this particular way is just how you would wear it, very basic. So you just slap it on, you zip it up, kind of just a little, you leave a little v-neck here, and it's just really, really simple. So with this one, I really love this shirt because when you wear it over the top, at least for me, it just hugs my bottom, my backside so well. It is like almost like I'm wearing leggings on the back. Like it's not, there's slightly, there's a little bit of give, but it just hugs my bottom really, really well. And so it's so flattering on my figure. So you can wear this with any kind of pants and just kind of wear it as like a regular shirt, and you will look so good. Just really simple, really basic. It's not something that is going to be really out there. I'm just pairing this with sneakers because with that, it's just, you have a very basic, very simple look. I don't like the word basic. You have a very simple, everyday look. And it's just amazing. And I just, you know, you can wear this for a casual Friday, you can be smart casual, women, men, very androgynous, and I really, really love this look. This is probably my go-to look for this shirt because it's just so easy. And this is the second look. All I've done is I've pulled the zipper down a little bit and I've tucked it in, and you can see that it gives a completely different vibe. So the first one was a very simple, very elegant kind of classic casual vibe. This is a more refined, a little bit more chic, a little bit more on the feminine side, a little bit more scandalous, a little bit more sexy in my opinion. And it just looks amazing, and it is the exact same shirt, but it does give off a completely different vibe. I mean, I don't know if you agree with me, let me know in the comments if you do, but to me, this is a totally different look. You can chuck on a belt. For me, I would chuck on maybe like my white Louis Vuitton belt, because the zipper is obviously white. So I do have my white Louis Vuitton belt, which would go very, very well with my, with this top with the white leather detail here. You know, now you can go for like Friday night drinks. You know, you can go for a date. You can just be a little bit more elegant, in my opinion. Like casual, yet still very elegant, very sexy. And so this is how I would wear the second look. You could also, while we're here, pull the sleeves up, undo the button and pull the sleeves up. For me, I'm not really into that kind of look because I think that one's a bit, you could do this basically, if I can just undo this and just, you know, be even more casual, be even more kind of like laid back, and just relaxed. Like my taste to me is a bit more on the elegant side. So to me, I like the long sleeve look. I like the whole kind of less comfortable, less casual. I like things a little bit more formal. I like things being a little bit more elegant. And rolling up your sleeves is totally fine. It's just my personal preference. I don't like that. And for the third way that I'm wearing this is as an overshirt. So you can see, once again, I am wearing the same pants. I've chucked on a simple black tee and I've just thrown this over the top. And you can see it once again gives a completely different vibe to the shirt and a completely different vibe to the look. Now, I just want to say, the reason I'm using the same pants is because I want to show you guys the versatility, the incredible variety that you can get out of this one shirt. So it's a silk twill, I should add, by the way, so it is actually quite warming. Now again, this is very androgynous. You could chuck this on with heels like I have, or you can chuck this on sneakers. You can do anything that you want with it, and I think it's just so good. You know, you can once again roll up the sleeves, and then that also gives it an even more casual look. It's a very androgynous vibe. This is a very kind of denim jacket kind of look, very masculine, very you know, it's just got that really like masculine energy. That's actually the main reason why I fell in love with this shirt when I saw it, because during the styling session at Louis Vuitton, the model wore it as an overshirt, and then in the next outfit she wore it as just a regular shirt tucked into shorts, and it was fabulous. And I just love the versatility, and that versatility is what's going to help me get the most value out of this shirt. And I am 100% recommending this to everyone. If this is within your budget, it's hella expensive, but if you are someone that is willing to splurge and you are in a place in your life where you don't mind spending that kind of money and you want to reward yourself, maybe you just got a promotion, maybe, you know, whatever it is, you want to celebrate something, a birthday, you know, you want to splurge, I would highly recommend going to your local Louis Vuitton store and checking this top out. It is so good, and trust me, when you try it on, you will know exactly what I'm talking about, because this is such an incredible piece of ready to wear, and I know that I'm going to get so much wear out of this, so I'm very excited. So hopefully guys, you can see how incredibly versatile this look is, and you know, this piece of incredible investment for me, at least in my opinion. If you have any questions, if you're thinking, oh, you know, what if I did this, or what if you did that with the shirt, let me know, sound off in the comments below. I'm more than happy to you know, have a chat with you guys. I love engaging. Lots of people do send me private messages on Instagram. Anyways, so thank you so much, you guys, for tuning in and watching this video. Please, if you don't already, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button, give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much again for the support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!